Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Winning is Winning, where we dish out healthy recipes for our little ones as well as talk about child nutrition. My name is Oluwadamilola Kolawole. I always like to give a disclaimer. I'm not a practicing child nutritionist, neither am I a pediatrician. I'm just a mom with a diploma in child nutrition and a passion for child nutrition. Welcome. If this is your first time of seeing me here, please don't forget to subscribe. You're going to enjoy what you see here. And please don't forget to hit that like button and turn on your notification button as well. So today we're going to be talking about, what do we talk about? What do you want me to talk about? Yes, let me ask you that question. But I'm going to be talking about why I really not a fan of rice cereal. I said this a lot of times in my channel. I believe in food as a medicine. I believe in food for medication. I believe so much in food, and especially food does a great thing in our nutrition as well as prevents diseases and sicknesses as well as has a way of healing us as well. So yes, I'm not a fan of rice cereals for baby. I said it earlier in my video that when I started weaning my little one, before I did much research, I started giving my little one rice cereal. But as time goes on and I went into my child nutrition course, I realized that rice cereal is not just the best option. There are different amazing foods that we can give to our little one aside rice cereals, because that's the very first thing everybody says when you're weaning your child. You need to get rice cereals. Now when you're starting to wean your little one, the first thing they tell you to do is to get your child rice cereals. But rice cereals is not just the option that you could give to your little one. We have a local pap akamu ogi that you can introduce to your little one. Now let's talk about rice cereal. Why I'm not a fan of rice cereal. Number one, rice cereal is rich in arsenic. Rice on its own has a good amount of arsenic. Brown rice especially, most people tend to opt to brown rice, but brown rice has arsenic and we're exposed to arsenic as well. But I don't really like the amount found in rice cereals. The amount of arsenic found in rice cereals is very high, which can as well cause certain cancers later in life. So it is very important for you to try as much as possible to talk to your pediatrician such rice cereals to your little one. Secondly, rice cereal has been over processed. Now when it comes to processing foods, most of the nutrients in the foods that we give our little one has been overly processed, and this means that most of the nutrients that are there has already been out of it, and they tend up to be fortified. That is, like, after processing it, they tend to add the nutrients that has been taken away, when you can as well get the nutrients from foods, real foods that we give to our little one, the nutrients from fruits and as well vegetables, all the carbohydrates you can find from the real rice, the real yam, the real sweet potatoes, the real potatoes, and not just the ones that has been your foods that has been fortified. So it is very important for us to start giving a little one healthy food, because most times they've been overly processed and being fortified, like adding the nutrients back, and which is really not helpful or really not healthy for our little one. Secondly, introducing sugar to your little ones from 6 months of age is really dangerous and is really not healthy. Now most of the cereals have been fortified and as well added sugars. They've added extra sugars to it because so that it could be taste appealing to your little one. Mind you, sugar has different types of names. Like sugar is also known as glucose. There are certain foods and vegetables that are also known as sugars, but you don't just see sugar like in the SUGAR. You see other names, certain names of sugar. Yes, they've been added to the cereals and to make it appealing to your little one. That is why you see most of your little children, when they start taking sugary cereals, they tend to stick to that cereals, and because at that time they are growing and sugar has something it does to the brain, it makes them feel like, okay, if I'm not having the cereal or if I'm not having anything sweet, my food is not going to be sweet, or I need to take sugar before I could eat healthy. So most of all the cereals, they've added good amount of sugar that you don't want to introduce to your little one from 6 months of age. That is why I always encourage my mom to start giving your little one natural food that's going to help them grow healthy and strong. Now let's talk about preservatives. Preservatives is another thing that has been added to all the foods that our little ones get. High level preservative. Now do you want to start introducing preservatives, like dangerous preservatives to your little one from 6 months of age, definitely you don't want to. So that is why it is important to start giving them natural foods that's going to help them. Why? Because they're going to get the real nutrients that they need, as well as start making decisions and right choices to be able to eat well. Now, one thing about rice cereal, why many people recommend it, is because it tends to be rich in iron. Now you could get foods for your little one that are rich in iron from 6 months of age. Don't be deceived, they've been fortified with iron. Now you can give your little one fish, chicken, meat, which is highly rich in iron for them. Most times many people say, okay, because it's rich in iron, let me give to my little one. No, you need to give your little one foods that are rich in all these things. That is why most times many people recommend rice cereal, because it's rich in iron, and iron is one of the important nutrients that your little one needs from 6 months of age. Now, breast milk and most formulas are already packed with iron, so it's just like. Now, I know most times rice cereals tend to be very convenient for us to give to our little ones, but yes, they are nutritionally deficient. You want your child to grow healthy. You want your child to grow with foods that is rich in all the essential nutrients that they need. So please, with so many reasons, I just gave you a little ones why rice cereal is not too healthy for your little one as a first food. Yes, you can as well try oat cereal. Yes, oat is rich in essential nutrients as well. Oat is rich in fiber. You can as well try quinoa, which is also good, but rice cereal for me is a no, and I don't advise parents, I don't advise moms to give to their little ones. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I know you did. Please, if this is your first time, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button so you never miss a video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I hope to do more videos about this. If you want me to do more videos, yes, I'm gonna do it. To challenge you, my beautiful moms, give your little one good foods rich. You could start with bananas, you can start with apple, you can even start with the local rice that will boil, or fada rice, which is also rich in fiber. You can start with so many foods for your little one. This rice series are full of preservatives. This series are full of sugars. They are rich in arsenic, which is dangerous to our health, and as well they've been fortified with iron, which you can as well get. So it is important that we start raising healthy kids together. So much. I'm gonna see you in my next video. Until then, please stay safe, and remember, your little one needs all the nutrients they can get from real foods. Let's raise healthy kids together. I'll see you in my next one.